Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryann Okonkwo. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button after watching this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I have nothing but huge love for you. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do knotless braids the easiest way. Trust me, once you finish watching this video in about 15 minutes, you're gonna be a knotless braids pro, trust me. So the first thing I like to do is part their hair, and you can see I part the hair here over here first, and then divide the front into two, and then go ahead and start braiding the back. And now I'm going to show you guys my secret. This is a secret parting technique. It's going to help you, and it's so easy, and it ensures that all the braids that you're cutting are going to be very equal. What you saw me apply was the shine jam. There are several types of shine jam. There's the yellow one, there's the green one, and there's the purple one. The best is the orange one, which is the yellow one. You can see it on the chair there. So basically I apply it, and then I just go ahead and pat. It just helps to take away flyaways and whatnot. Now to the main deal, which is the knotless braids. You can see me dividing the hair into 3 pieces like you would if you're doing French braids, and then you want to braid this just twice. This is the second time. And if you feel that the hair is slippery, you can actually tug on the hair gently just to tighten it a little bit. And I've already gone ahead to section the braiding hair into bits using the thread pole, the spool that you're seeing over there. And then I'm going to braid it again twice, and then take the leftover and just tug it into underneath my finger. Just keep watching, you'll get the real technique. And then once you finish watching, you might need to practice a couple of times for you to actually get it. But yeah, that's basically the technique. This is the easiest way. And then depending on the thickness, so usually for my clients, I would ask them, I will do one at the back and then show them. If they like the width, the length, I'll go ahead and replicate everything, replicate that across the whole braids. So for this, I think I joined like maybe 6 small pieces. So you want to find out what works for you, what size is appropriate for your client, you know, and then just keep on doing that. It's you and me forever, dreaming on the dance floor, dance floor. And once I get towards the end of her original hair, not the braiding hair, I just dip my hand into the shine jam and then just rub it on the braids, just to make sure that her natural hair tugs well and there's no hair like slipping away, or there's no flyaway hair on the braids. And that's why most of my braids are always neat, because I do this across everything. I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming on the dance floor. Now, as you can see, we're done with the hair. So the first thing to finishing off my braiding service is to do baby hairs. And this lately I've been feeling like all these dramatic baby hair techniques, so I tried to do that here. I'm sure you guys can't really see because of the angle of the camera, but yeah, your regular baby hair would work, you know. So I did that, tried to do that. That took a couple of seconds, actually minutes. And then once I was done, you're gonna see me go ahead and so we're prepping our hair for dipping it into water. The first thing I do is use the scissors and then just, you know, cut out any flyaways, especially on the top, the front, and the top areas of the braids. Just make sure it's perfect. And next, just to make sure that I got rid of all the hair, but there are some tiny hair that the scissors won't be able to grab. So for that, you're going to see me use what is it called, a lighter. So the lighter that I'm going to be using is the big lighter. This is your regular candle or oven lighter. And in Nigeria, I know that when I used to braid my hair, the hairdresser will wrap a piece of cloth after applying hair cream on it and then just put it on fire and then just use that. But this works well. You want to be very careful. If you're not comfortable with this method, please don't try it, especially on your client. You can see that I'm using my hand to prevent the light from touching any part of her face. I would rather it won't burn because I've been doing this for a long time, so I'm pretty good at it. So I just basically run it on each sections of the hair just to get rid of all those tiny flyaway hair, especially on the root part, the tip of the hair. You want to make sure that everything is neat, so when somebody sees her and they're like, girl, I love your braids, they're like, yes, that's MVP. So I did this for a couple of minutes till I was pretty satisfied with it, and then I went on to the next step.
I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming, dreaming on the dance floor. I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming, dreaming on the dance floor. Dance floor. Tell me you still remember. One day we'll be together. It's you and me forever. Dreaming on the dance floor. Dance floor.
Next, I still went ahead with the scissors to just get rid of any stubborn hair that refused to be cut the first time or be burnt by the lighter, just to make sure that it's extra neat. So yeah, I'm extra like that. I pay attention to every minor detail, so that's how I am. I'm just going ahead to just trim out any excess stubborn hair, and yeah. So once we're done with that, the next thing I like to do is oil their scalp. Let me tell you, if you go to any salon, they won't do this for you. They don't oil scalp at all. And this is not just oil treatment, like this is not just oiling the scalp, this is like proper hair treatment. Because after I'm done applying the oil, I kind of like give a very quick scalp massage, and then I go and over it. Like once I've dipped the hair in hot water, I'll use the towel, dip it in hot water and cover the hair just to give you like hot oil treatment. So that's why you're paying the amount you're paying, period. Okay, so yeah, I'm just oiling the scalp, taking my time to just, as I'm going, I'm also just kind of like massaging it a little bit and just rubbing on the scalp. This will help your hair grow better, grow healthy. You're not going to have dry scalp or anything, you know. And one thing I like about knotless braids is that the minute you're done with the hair, you can move the hair around anyhow you want and it won't hurt you on like regular box braids. So yeah, it's just that it takes a lot of time. It takes more time to complete, but yeah, that's basically everything. And The water that I'm going to use is already boiling on the oven on the stove, so I allow it to like boil very well, and then I just go ahead, pour it in the plastic bowl. Be very careful, and then section out our hair. You want to go in bits, you don't want to dip everything in there. So you just go ahead, dip the hair into hot water, and then just keep going. One trick I want to also tell you, it's something that I learned as well, learned recently. Once you dip the hair, you don't need to use towel to drag, because once you use towel to drag, it will give the ends like some funny curls. So allow the hair to dip in. Even if you dry it with this thing, you go ahead, take another hot water and just dip all the ends of the braids together into the water, so that the water will straighten it, and then it will look more flowy as opposed to crinkled, you know. So yeah.
Dreaming on the dance floor, dance floor. Tell me you still remember. One day we'll be together. It's you and me forever. Dreaming on the dance floor, dance floor.
Now this is my customer's favorite part. Like, once, can you see, she's enjoying it. So I just put the hot towel over her head, leave it on for a few seconds, and then just press in and gently massage, and it just kind of like help cools your head after that long period of sitting and just people tugging your hair. It's very relaxing if you haven't done it before. So it just basically works with the oil that I massaged earlier to help for a healthier scalp. So exactly. So once you go to, if you go to any salon here in Minnesota, they don't do that for you. So I'm just telling you, so you know, when I charge you, you don't say, yeah, she's expensive. Anyways, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends, and of course I'll see you guys in my next one. I will be sharing more hair content videos, because you know it's summer, and that's when I usually have like loads of hair clients. So hopefully they let me film, and then I share with you guys. Bye.